Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you can remove the background from any photo in just 5 seconds? For free and with no editing skills. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and smartest trick anyone can use online. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to the remove.bg website. Step 2. Click on Upload Image and select the photo from your phone or computer. Step 3. Wait a few seconds. The AI will automatically remove the background from your photo. Step 4. Now click Download, and your image with a transparent background is ready to use. And don't forget to check the link in the description to try it yourself. And just like that, you remove the background from your photo in seconds. No apps, no skills, and completely free. If this trick helped you, like the video. Follow for more powerful tech tips and share it with someone who needs this.